आज का दिन बहुत ही रोचक होने वाला है। पुणे आने के बाद आज मैं पहली बार पुणे छोड़ के शहर के बाहर कहीं जाने वाला हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. But what's even more exciting is what's happening there, and I can't tell you that right now. ये surprise है. It's monsoon time. It's not raining right now, but maybe this is one of the best times to go to a place which is known for ecotourism. So super duper excited. Let's see what happens there. Come along. So जर्नी की शुरुआत हो गई है. अभी हम नासिक रोड पे हैं. काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग प्लान्स हैं वहाँ पे, पर डिपेंड्स ऑन वेदर. बादल बने हुए हैं, धूप भी है, सो एनीथिंग कुड हैपन. सो आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही मुश्किल नाम वाली एक और गेस्ट भी है. सो से हेलो टू Chayanika, the chosen one, right?
Right.
So where are you from, Chayanika?
I'm from Delhi.
What do your friends call you?
Chinu.
Chin Chin. I like both of these names.
Chintu.
What do you prefer?
Chin.
Chin. Oh wow, that's nice. So Chin writer है, Chin content writer है, Chin researcher है, and by default वो of course production team की part भी है. So she's buying water, masks and whatnot. अच्छा हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
So we are heading to Junnar. There is an agro tourism farm over there. So we are on our way to that.
और वहाँ क्या करेंगे हम?
We are going to experience some nice agro life, village life. We are going to explore the farm, some cooking, authentic food and
Marathi food, right?
yeah.
Awesome.
Authentic Junnar food also.
Oh yeah, it seems there's some vegetables exclusive to that region.
Yeah, so 2 veggies, but I don't want to disclose the name right now.
Yeah, we'll actually cook them and eat them. So
Right.
that's gonna be
Stay tuned.
exciting. Stay tuned. Bye. Junnar is a city located about 90 kilometers from Pune and is now a pioneer in agro and sustainable tourism in Maharashtra. The great Maratha ruler Shivaji was also born at a nearby fort called Shivneri, and that's one more reason to visit the city. Today we are shooting an episode for Maharashtra Tourism to showcase eco and sustainable tourism in Junnar, and we will be visiting Parashar Farm to learn more about it. However, we were already a little bit late, and since the farm is a little outside the city, I think we were a bit lost as well. So yeah, we delayed the shoot maybe by an hour or so. So I have reached Parashar Farms. The crew is getting ready, doing the B-rolls, doing the drone shots. But let me show you what the surprise is here today. Come along. We have none other than Pooja Batra here with us.
Hello.
What are you doing, Pooja, here?
Hi, I'm enjoying the sustainable living here.
Perfect. And I heard you're going to the kitchen now?
I am going to the kitchen.
I'm
I'm
gonna-
figuring out what they're cooking for me.
Yeah, I think it's going to be special, right?
I think it is special. They're making something really special.
I heard they're making something which exists only in this farm and nowhere else.
Yes, they're making something with the grain and also with the kala chana. So I'm very excited to see what it is.
Super duper. Let's follow you there then.
All right.
And that's exactly what I did. I followed Pooja to the kitchen. This was the first and perhaps the only segment we shot that day in such a relaxed way. After this, things got really hectic. Now, while Pooja was inside, Deepthi, yes, that's Deepthi Bhatnagar. So she was working with Akshay from the production team to figure out the shots. Over the next few hours, we shot non-stop. We were given a very warm and traditional welcome with topis and garland by Manoj. Manoj took us around and told us all about sustainable tourism, community farming, and the eco way of life. At the end of the day, Pooja and I were also invited to plant some banana saplings. So what's so special about Parashar Farms? Let's hear it from Pooja.
मुझे पराशर फार्म्स में ये जो इनका सेटअप है, जो सस्टेनेबल लिविंग का सेटअप है, इनके जो हट्स बनाए हुए हैं और इन्होंने जो गोबर की लेप लगाई हुई है फ्लोरिंग पे, और जिसमें वो बोलते हैं कि आपको नंगे पैर चलना है. यू नो, आवर बॉडी हैज़ टू टच द सॉइल, आवर मदर अर्थ. वी हैव टू रूट आवरसेल्व्स, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी ग्राउंडिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेस. Actually, my mom and dad also live in something like this, which
Really?
is, yeah, they live in a farm sort of setup. They have trees, they grow their own vegetables, आई लव दैट. सो पूरे कोविड में मैं उनके साथ ही थी, तो योगा कर रही थी. मध्य प्रदेश. हाँ, मध्य प्रदेश. देयर इज़ अ प्लेस कॉल्ड महू which is near Indore. So they live there, so which is sort of semi set up like this. So I'm kind of, I love it.
You're lucky you already have a setup like this
I
at home.
am lucky I have a setup like this. Thank God. Yeah.
Great. And what is it that you're looking forward to right now?
Right now, I am looking forward to eating some vegetarian thali made in Parashar Farm, which is out of their agricultural land and all cooked in their little, kitchen.
I saw you sitting there and actually munching on some food already.
Yeah, and I love vegetarian. I prefer vegetarian any day. I just love veg.
Great. Let's go get our meals then.
Let's do it.
And vegetarian food was what we ate next. The meal was perhaps one of the best I had in recent times and was made completely with their own farm produce. So we're almost done with the shoot for today. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत खाना खाया. Pooja is now swinging on a swing. Now I have some free time and I have Pooja here. So I'm gonna catch her somewhere and ask her a few questions. I have some interesting questions to ask. जब ये हमारा लॉकडाउन, जब हमारा कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा, what's the one place you would like to go to and why?
Definitely LA. मैं LA जाना चाहूँगी क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत ट्रैक्स हैं, बहुत हाइकिंग है और मुझे हाइक करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लाइक टू बी इन दी आउटडोर्स. एंड देन शामुनी, फ्रांस. जस्ट जो बेस पे है मॉन्ट ब्लांक के, माउंट मॉन्ट ब्लांक के बेस पे है और वहाँ पे हाइक्स मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं.
If you were to think back in your past and think of one travel trip, one special travel experience that comes to your mind first, what would that be?
Jordan. I went to Petra.
Lovely place.
And I think I'm so lucky कि मैं पेट्रा जाके मैंने वो पूरी वैली देखी जहाँ वो क्या कहते हैं नेबेटियंस रहते थे, और वो पूरा देखा उन वो कैसे मेकअप भी बनाते थे. वो अभी भी स्टोन्स हैं जिससे वो लाली निकाल के यहाँ लगाते थे लाली के लिए और लिप्स पे लगाते थे लिपस्टिक के लिए. तो वहाँ से ये जो मिनरल्स जो निकले हैं जिनसे मेकअप बना है, मैंने उसका ओरिजिन देखा और ओरिजिन ऑफ मैनकाइंड देखा. सो आई वाज लकी टू बी sort of in that space.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I agree. Petra is another world, right? Especially in the nights when they light up with the lamps.
It's a different world. Yeah.
Okay, final question.
Yeah.
When are we seeing you back again on the big screen?
Yay! You'll be seeing me soon, jaldi. There's a movie that I did. Iska naam hai Squad.
Wow.
And yeah, it's a very interesting role I have. I play a squadron leader, and it's something which I haven't done before. I'm very excited for it. I just looped for the movie and the movie is looking fabulous. It's directed by a very nice director. His name is Nilesh Sahai. And yeah, I'm very excited for it.
We are also very excited. I didn't know this. Congratulations.
Thank
and
you.
all the best. I hope to see you in many, many more movies.
Thank you.
जैसे ही हमने शूट खत्म की और पुणे की तरफ बढ़े, it started to rain. The rain gods had been generous to us through the day, and now I was just happy to sit back, relax, and enjoy the drive back home. It was a day spent well, and I can't wait to get back to Junner again to explore even more.